message has been carried across and it will be properly followed. I will read in line with your decision to ensure that the party is kept firm and remain on a successful note. Urgent call for the suspension of Chief Dan Orbih as Vice Chairman South-South. It has come to the attention of critical stakeholders of Edo State PDP that the Vice Chairman South-South PDP, Chief Dan Orbih, does not mean well for the interest of the party, as his public statements and conduct reveal. The polarization has been actively fueled by Chief Dan Orbih for his personal gains and that of the dark interest that he represents. When we expected that peace will return to Edo PDP after the avoidable litigations that climaxed at the Supreme Court and setting up of the Peace and Reconciliation Committee by His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, Chief Dan Orbih and its hangers-on have called meetings of their people to intimate them of the party platform they are going to work with at the appropriate time, as they have lost the court battle. This is not only unbecoming of a party officer of his status, it also negates the spirit and letters of the party's constitution. As stakeholders of Edo PDP, we are concerned with the present state of the State Working Committee of the PDP in Edo State that has become useless and an assemblage of Chief Dan Orbih's errand boys who only meet when he's around. And he has not been around for about 2 months because he has lost acceptance among Edo people. It is visible to the blind that apart from the chairman and 2 others, the party secretariat is almost not functional. We were shocked some days ago, whereas of the party's constitution stipulates that no member or officer of the party should engage in any activity that will bring the party to public opprobrium. Chief Dan Orbih and a few others went on air and social media space to ridicule the party, its officers, and by extension, damage the flag bearers of the party for the 2023 general election by sowing anger, doubts, and panic in the minds of not only party members, but the voting public. Whereas it is common knowledge that Chief Dan Orbih, as member of the National Working Committee, agreed with his colleagues to draw housing allowance from the coffers of the party while trying to denigrate Senator Ayu. He forgot that the allowance was not illegal, nor was Senator Ayu in the meeting where these sums were approved. It is on record that these characters, led by Chief Dan Orbih, realized that the money was in the account after 2 weeks, only after they got twice the amount from their overlord in Port Harcourt. We are calling for the immediate sack or suspension of Chief Dan Orbih within 7 days, or we will, in conjunction with other stakeholders across the region, occupy the state secretariat of the party across the South-South and put party activities on hold till our request is granted. We reaffirm our loyalty to the leadership of the party under the leadership of Senator Iyorchia Ayu, and we are committed to working for the Atiku Okowa 2023 ticket. This is where we stand. God bless PDP. PDP!